If you want to move files to the private space or from the private space on a Nothing Phone 4a and 4a Pro, then once you go to the private space, let's open it. In here we have our private files tile, so we can use this plus or minus in order to, of course, add files to the private space or remove them from the private space. So if I use this plus, then I should be able to choose whatever I want to move to the private space. In here I can also find all of these different categories. If you're looking for something specific, it might be very useful to use that. Of course, I can tap on individual file in order to add it, or I should also be able to press and hold in order to select multiple files at once. And then we can tap on select in the upper right corner in order to confirm all selected files to be moved to the private space. We can of course go to private files in here in order to then open the Files app by Google, so the file manager, and then in here you can easily find your apps, your files. And of course if you use minus, then we can do exactly the same thing as before, so we can easily select files and decide which files should be removed from the private space, just like that. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.